Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys a reading mode guys. How can we on it? Friends, you want to on guys your phone reading mode. So how can you on it and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video guys. So guys, now let's see guys how can we on Infinix phone reading mode. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Hence you can see this tab setting. Fans click on guys your phone brightness setting guys. Brightness setting we will on it, and fans you can see phone eye care means guys you can say guys reading mode also. So guys you can on guys your reading mode and you can use it. And fans you want to start guys your reading mode time guys you can start, and guys end time guys you can set from here in your Infinix phone device guys. Schedule, you can schedule time. So like the guy we can on guys Infinix phone reading mode and we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.